Hi, I'm Michael. Thank you for visiting our video. Check out our services and find out why a presentation video will make your website and brand look more professional.
Choosing and installing the right security equipment for your home or business can be a confusing and frustrating process, not to mention time-consuming and technologically challenging. We can help with that. Our security professionals will evaluate your home or office to identify potential threats to your safety and security, and make recommendations to suit your needs and your budget. Then we'll provide the equipment, perform the installation, and show you how to use it. We'll repair or replace outdated or worn hardware, rekey your current locks or install new ones, install new steel doors or security doors, keyless entry systems, alarm systems, motion detection, video surveillance, and more. We are your complete locksmithing and security solution. Passionate about helping you meet your security needs today and well into the future at a price you can afford. Let us help you secure your home or business. Contact us today.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this review helped in a way or another. Make sure to click on the link in the description and receive my special discounted promo price.